What if there was a truly unique way to be able to make money with AI? I know everybody talks about writing books or, using it for coloring books for some reason. What if there was a really, really unique idea? I found it. It's called Game Builder AI. I'm going to tell you all about it right now. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Game Builder AI. This is from my friend Cindy Donovan. Now, this is a very, very different idea than I've seen most people offering when it comes to um, this type of stuff. Most people, I've seen a lot of these coloring books for some reason. I don't know why everybody's hot to trot on coloring books. I don't get it. I haven't promoted any in a long time, and the first couple I did. But after a while, I was like, why would anybody want more coloring books? I mean, it doesn't make sense to me that it's selling. I don't understand those. There's also been a lot of these things where it's just a list of prompts, which is nice, but you can write your own prompts. This was a completely unique idea. Cindy actually asked me to review it, and if you check out on the sales page, you can actually see where am I in the sales page? I'm here somewhere. Right at the top. Yep, there I am. Okay. She actually asked me to take a look at this, and I absolutely love this concept. And so I kind of took about a week off from promoting, from making new videos because I said, there's nothing new. There's nothing worth bothering with. This is truly worth bothering with. This really is an amazing product. It's imaginative and it's unique. I absolutely love this thing. Now, I will show you the members area in just a second, but a truly special product deserves a truly special bonus, and that is exactly what you get when you are looking at a Man in the Hat review. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, very nice. You're the man in the hat also, but right now we're talking about me. Thank you. Anyway, check this out. I want to show you this massive list that I have of stuff that I'm giving you. First of all, I got a secret hack for making banner ads instantly, completely for free. Okay, this is going to help you out with selling these kinds of game packs. You can sell them on places like Etsy, on Amazon, on eBay, and other places like that. Put together the banner ads, you're going to be able to make money from them. But of course, I am not done yet, not by a long shot. First of all, what if you could actually source all kind of stuff for pennies on the dollar and sell it for a mega profit? Now, I've done this many, many, many times. Like I had custom made mugs that I had like the Star Trek theme. I had the original Enterprise on them. I paid $1 a piece for them, sold it for 20 bucks. Okay. I had one situation where I literally made $60 in 5 minutes. And I'm showing you that exact method here, and I'm giving you PLR rights to my exact method with this. But of course, I'm still not done yet. I've also got over 90 premium WordPress plugins and themes that you can sell. You can give them away. You can use as your own bonus. Yes, it's legal to do this. All right. You get them all included with my package. And I personally have given these away. I've also personally used some of these things. I still, to this day, use some of these plugins because they are really, really valuable stuff. You get them all. But of course, you know, nobody's going to accuse me of giving a crap bonus.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Yes, well, this is definitely not crap, but thank you, Bart, for your unwelcome comment. Anyway, so I also have a ton of additional content with PLR. So you're going to be getting the deadly super simple copy techniques. You're going to get idea generation simplified. You're going to get the 2 how to handle secrets of how to boost your conversions. You're going to get marketing secrets, law of attraction secrets, from mindset to action, breaking bad habits, better habits, winning the mindset formula, the Harry Potter business magic, Glee positive, basically how to think positive like the Glee kids, unlock your hidden power with self-hypnosis, inner game mastery, 7 highly guarded secrets to building a niche empire. 7 highly guarded secrets to success. Marketing motivation. Stand-up comedy, the secret of becoming a successful comedian. Getting grip on loans and credit cards. Micro niches. Word watching for beginners. Product pricing wizard. Planning the perfect wedding on a budget. How to attract butterflies to your garden. Bonsai tree. The power of perseverance. And we still have more, of course. We're definitely not done yet because, again, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you need to have your fingers in a lot of different pies.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you very much, Liz. That's very kind of you. Anyway, but seriously, change your life, copywriting business, okay, how to play piano, successful, failing, 5 must-do, gotta have traits, banish bad habits, planning and caring for your rose garden, definitive guide to Thanksgiving crafts, the essential guide to organic gardening. Now, why am I giving all this stuff? Because some of it is like obviously has nothing to do with this game stuff, because I want to give you a massive amount of content that you can go ahead and sell and start making money from right away. Okay, even before you start putting into effect what Cindy's going to teach you in this course. But this course is truly one of the best I've seen. Really, really amazing stuff. All in all, you're literally getting over 140 bonuses. Okay, 140 bonuses that you have full PLR rights to sell them. You can give them away. You give them as your own bonus. All right, that is a truly, truly massive bonus for something that, by the way, is $9.97. All right, really, really incredible. Now, I do want to show you the members area here real quick. Basically, all you're going to do is download the actual PDF of it. It's going to explain everything. It is a very, very simple idea that really works very, very well. She has a couple of bonuses here as well on how to build additional products. But I absolutely loved the concept of the game builder because it's such a simple idea. And people do buy these things all the time because people love these, murder mystery kind of things. Basically, what the idea is that you're going to create a game that people can use for a game night with their friends, where they're going to have like a murder mystery, and it's actually all laid out for them, and everything is included, so they know exactly what to do step by step. It's really, really very, very nicely done. And again, you get access to all of this stuff included with your purchase for $9.97. And of course, you're also going to get access to my truly, truly massive package of bonuses here. Really, really one of the best bonuses I've ever put together, because 140 plus bonuses, really, really just insane, insane stuff. But I really want you to get everything that you could possibly need. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously, okay. You really hit the ball out of the park with this one. This one is amazing. This one was worth my while to wait for, to tell you about, because this one really is going to change your life. Grab this. This one is so good. You're going to love it.